Epicias are popular trailing plants known for their year-round colorful flowers and textured leaves, perfect for brightening any rooms. They thrive in bright indirect or fluorescent light for at least 8 hours daily and prefer average household temperature and avoid cold draft. Keep the soil moist but not wet, watering once or twice a week, and ensure high humidity by misting daily or using a pebble tray with water, avoiding large water droplets on leaves and flowers. Use fast draining, well aerated potting mix and repot every 6 months or as needed based on the growth. Propagate by placing runners and leaf cuttings in water. Cover them to increase humidity and speed up the root formation.